she said to me when she sent me this article that in her opinion, the reason why writing these things down is so powerful is because you are experiencing what you want with multiple senses. So as you're writing it down, your sense of touch is involved. Apparently when you actually write something down versus typing it or typing it on your phone, it uses both sides of the brain, whereas if you type it, apparently it only uses one side of the brain. It looks like maybe writing it down on a good old-fashioned piece of paper is more powerful because more senses are being involved in the creative process. So there you are.